how to use Google AI Studio for image AI. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how you could use Google AI Studio for image AI. Now, Google AI Studio is a free platform for generating and editing images using Google models, including Gemini 2.5 Flash Image and Image Gen. So what you want to do is, first thing first, open up your browser, type in aistudio.google.com and agree to the terms and services. Now here, to generate the new image, you want to click on to any of these options, whether you want to go to Gemini 2.5, 3 Pro View, all that stuff. You click open that up, set an output format to image or image and text. You have to then describe what you want to get in an image itself. So you want to go ahead and explain it in a detailed way in the prompt section. So then once you're done entering the prompt, you click on run control. You click over here, and here you'll be able to see the image, and this is how you'll be able to use AI Studio for image AI. So this way you should be able to get. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.